Everyone is telling you to learn to code if you want to get rich from AI. They're wrong. The people who are about to make a fortune from this aren't in Silicon Valley. They're probably in a drab office park down the street. They're in your local accounting firm. And they're about to eat your lunch. For the last few years, the story has been deafeningly simple. To win in the age of AI, you have to be a builder. Learn Python. Master neural networks. Spend your nights fine-tuning a large language model. The heroes of this story are the prompt engineers, the startup founders, and the guys selling you a six-figure AI salary course, but that whole story is a grand misdirection. It's a glittering distraction from where the real wealth is being quietly, almost invisibly, stacked up. This isn't a tech story. It's a story about leverage, capacity, arbitrage. It's the story of the service professional, the accountant, the lawyer, the consultant who stumbled onto a playbook that lets them quadruple their output without hiring a single new person. They are capturing insane profits and using perfectly legal but little understood tax structures to keep almost all of it. This isn't about the future. It's happening right now. By the end of this, you'll understand their playbook and how to apply it before it's too late. Section 1. The Great Misdirection. The internet is drowning in a very specific kind of AI success story. You know the ones. The 20-something in a hoodie claiming to make 50 grand a week with his AI automation agency. The LinkedIn gurus who, just last year, were selling crypto masterclasses and have now seamlessly pivoted to selling AI prompt engineering courses for 10 grand a pop. Their videos are slick, their promises are huge, and their bank accounts, they assure you, are overflowing. This is the great misdirection. It's a content business that runs on a hype loop. These people aren't building wealth. They're generating revenue. And there is a world of difference between the two. Their business model isn't technology. It's selling a dream package for social media algorithms that reward sensationalism. They're selling shovels during a gold rush. But the shovels are flimsy and the gold is mostly pyrite. Let's break down the financial reality. An AI content creator posts a screenshot of $1 million in revenue. Looks great, right? But what does that really mean? First, this is a business that runs on constant, expensive advertising. They're in a deathmatch for your attention, burning cash on YouTube, Meta, and TikTok ads just to stay visible. Then add the cost of the AI tools, the video editors, the virtual assistants, the platform fees. After all that, $1 million business might only have $400,000 in actual profit. Still a big number, you say? This is where the story they never tell you begins. Most of these creators operate as sole proprietors. It's the simplest way to start. You earn money, boom, you're a sole proprietor. But that simplicity comes at a staggering cost. As a sole proprietor, you feel the full wrath of self-employment tax. In the US, that's 15.3% on the first big chunk of your net profit, right off the top. That's before federal and state income taxes. So on that $400,000 in profit, about $60,000 vanishes just to self-employment tax. Then comes income tax. At that level, a single filer is pushed into the highest federal brackets, around 37%. Add state taxes, maybe another 5 to 10, and our successful AI guru is looking at an effective tax rate of nearly 50% on their profits. That $400,000 in profit. After the taxman is done, they walk away with about $200,000 in retained wealth. $1 million business has netted them a respectable, but not revolutionary, take-home. They're on a hamster wheel, constantly generating revenue just to maintain a lifestyle, with very little turning into lasting wealth. And their business model is fragile. It's built on hype, which has the shelf life of a banana. Remember NFTs, the metaverse land boom? Hype cycles burn bright and then fade, leaving a trail of broke believers. These content businesses have no compounding loop. They're purely transactional. Sell a course, make a profit, find a new customer, no recurring revenue. No moat, no deep-rooted value. It's the digital version of a traveling salesman moving on before people realize the product doesn't quite work as advertised. They're chasing distribution, but they have no defensible system. This is the difference between making money and building a fortune. The hype sellers are making money. The quiet professionals are building fortunes.